Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add subtitles to your videos within Canva. So as you can see, this is a video of Mr. Bean, kind of talking, if you can call it talking, and I want to add subtitles to this video. So basically what I need to do is I need to tap on this play button.
Hello.
So as you can hear, I said hello, and I want to, get the subtitles which say hello. So I just need to tap on text, then add a heading or just add text, and then just type hello. So select this all and then type hello. So just move it somewhere at the bottom right here. And sadly, within Canva, there's no option to add subtitles within one click. So you can just copy this, maybe add effects, lift, as you can see, make it a bit smaller, like this maybe, and move it wherever you want. So you can just now copy this, so copy this text, and just again listen. So first move this cursor.
Hello.
And after you said hello, you need to press on this S button. So this will split the page into multiple sections. So you also can just move this cursor and then tap on split page, or just press S, which is much faster. So
hello.
As you see, this hello text is now everywhere, but we only want that hello text on the part where he says hello. So just listen before he says, and just cut this video into another part before he says hello. So just listen.
Well.
So I think after this he's going to say hello. So now just split this page into another part. So as you can see, now just delete this hello on the first part, and let's take a look.
Hello.
As you see, so now he now subtitles are added when he says hello. So this is taking a while, so just copy this and change this to hello while I'm Mr. Bean, or Dr. Bean, he says. So again, you need to take a listen.
Hello, I'm Dr. Bean.
I'm Dr. Bean, and just it does as well. Just remove this, and after he said Dr. Bean, just split the page again.
I'm Dr. Bean.
Press S and remove I'm Dr. Bean on this page.
Hello, I'm Dr. Bean.
That's what you can do. You also can animate these subtitles just by pressing on the text and then on animate. And for example, I use this. Which one I like? I like the pop one. This one, and I only select or enter. Now I'm selecting both, and I can do this on this one as well. Press on this text, tap on animate, tap on pop, both, and let's take a look.
Hello, I'm Dr. Bean.
And you can also give some words a color. So bean, for example, give this a red color, like this.
Hello, I'm Dr. Bean.
So yes, this does take a while, but I think you can get really precise if you have long videos which you want where you want to add subtitles. This is not the best way. But you can use something like Adobe Premiere Pro and then just add subtitles automatically. So still, it is possible with Canva, but it does take a while. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.